Okay, we're going to continue the Aristotle lecture. We've talked about the four corners, how they each have a different relationship between subject and predicate. And we've talked about true and false. That would be where one phrase or one categorical claim is consistent with another, or where one is not consistent with another, that would be false. So there is, however, a third possibility, and that is the relationship between the two claims is determinate or undetermined. That means that we don't know whether it's true or false. Okay, so let's start. I'll take a look back at that chart again and go to the lower left, which is the I claim, and we'll say that the I claim is true. Okay, and so if the I claim is true, that means that at least some of the philosophers are mad. And some means at least one. Now, some could be all, but some could only be one. So some is variable. It can go anywhere from one to all. And so let's say that that's true. Now, to remember that we don't know in this I claim, which is the some philosophy professors are mad, we don't know how far it goes. All we know for sure is that at least one is. As far as going further, that's unknown. So if the I claim or some philosophers are mad is true, that simply means that we know for sure at least one is mad. Okay, now, so let's take a look at the A claim in relationship to that. The A claim, it simply says that all philosophy instructors are mad. So what is the relationship between the I claim and the A claim? Well, the I claim says that some are, but it does not say that all are. Although it doesn't rule that out. It doesn't say it's not possible that all are. All we know for sure is that some are. Now, the A claim says that all are. So could the I claim agree with the A claim? Well, the answer is yes. If it turns out that the I claim had all philosophers included in it, then it would be identical with the A claim, and of course would agree with it and would be consistent. However, it's also possible that only one philosopher is mad and that all the rest of them are not. Okay, and so if that were the case, then the I claim would not be consistent with the A claim. So what we have here is a somewhat of a dilemma, that the I claim could be true in relationship to the A claim could be true in relationship to the I claim, or it could be false, depending upon what actually the makeup of the I claim is. And so therefore, since we don't know for sure, we simply say undetermined, that the truth value, which is either true or false, we don't know. So therefore, the third option is basically we don't know, or it's also described as undetermined. Okay, the last part of the lecture on Aristotle deals with the question of a false categorical claim. So let's go back and take a look at our little diagram, and let's go down to the bottom left and take a look at the I claim. The I claim simply says that some philosophy instructors are mad, okay, or at least one is mad. Okay, now let's say, rather than saying that that is true, let's say that that claim is actually false. Okay, so it is false that the I claim is false, it's false that at least one philosophy instructor is mad. Okay, now what would be the opposite of that? What would be the false side of that? And if we think about it, we can see that it, for at least one to be false, there would have to be none, because anything more than one or more would end up being consistent or true. So the way we want to make the I claim false is simply to say that no philosophers are mad, which happens to be the E claim. So if we have the I claim and we convert that into a false, we say the I claim is false, then we are automatically asserting the E claim, which is that no philosophers are mad. So if the I claim is false, then the E claim must be true. Okay, and if the O claim is false, then the A claim is true. Okay, and these are called contradictories, which you can see on the chart. So you may get some questions on the quiz that start you off with saying things like the I claim is false, and then you get to select a choice between which of the three answers happens to be correct, which would be the regarding if the I claim is false, then the O claim must be true. So there'll be some questions about that, as well as several questions about the regular true and false claims. So to summarize, claims can be true, claims can be false, or claims can be undetermined. And if we say that a claim is false, then its contradictory is true. Okay, in other words, if we say the A claim is false, then the O claim is true. If we say that the I claim is false, then the E claim is true. So you can see how that works, hopefully.